Good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. So today let us discuss about the latest update and some important tips while using our indicator. So we have added many features in the existing MST ICO 2.0 since we have been using the same indicator again and again so that we will get an accurate result from the trading. So now what you have to do, if you are a beginner and watching our channel, before continue watching, please subscribe to our YouTube channel MST School of Trading and click the subscription button and alert button so that whatever videos we are releasing, you will get immediately onto your YouTube. And if you want to receive free calls and communication from us, you can also join our free Telegram channel. The link is there in the description in the name of MST School of Trading. Now let us start. Now take any browser or open your mobile application. Once you are subscribed to indicator, you can do any browser or you can open your Android application or iOS application. Type www.tradingview.com and give enter. So now you will get the page like this. At the right hand side you can see there is a contact symbol. So click on to that contact symbol, then you will get an option to sign in. So now use your username and password. Already I have saved my username and password. So just I'm giving sign in option. So now I'm successfully signed in to my account. Now since crude oil is our favorite, I will start explaining with the crude oil script itself. It's not only crude oil, you can trade in anything as per your wish. So once you have opened your application and your indicator, suppose say your indicator is not here. Okay, what you have to do, from where you can add, go here at the top, here at the top side you will be finding one tab called indicators and it will be also denoted as FX. Click on to indicators, then favorite. So in the favorite you will be saying the indicators whatever you have subscribed. So now we have three indicators. Two are based on this strategy and one is based on the price action. So now we will be teaching you the MST Core 2.0, MST I Core 2.0. Just click on to that indicator, automatically that will be added to your chart. So now in the morning, every day in the morning, what you have to do, go to your indicator settings, come down. So here give reset settings. I repeat, every day before you start trading, you just come to indicator settings and give reset settings. Okay, because we might be changing some of the settings in while trading. Okay, so to avoid the confusion, every day you have to reset so that you will be getting a fresh entry. Our strategy is very simple. Our strategy and our indicator is very simple. What you have to do in the morning after 9:30 or after 9:25 or after 9:35, after 9:40 or after market is open. Okay. So minimum you have to give some 15 to 20 minutes time frame to market to settle. So now see, you can use 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 minute, no issue, but we are using consistently in 15 minutes time frame. So in the morning it will be defaultly drawn. By default these two lines will be drawn, that is one is first sell, another one is first buy. What you have to do, we have to wait for the market to reach either side. Okay, market has opened here, you have to wait for the market to reach either side. Either market has to come down or it has to go up. Okay, so what happened, market has not come down and touched our buy entry, but it has touched our sell entry. The exact high was 54 and our buy entry was, sell entry was 656. So 2 point there is a difference. So what you have to do, we have been already informing since beginning that 3 points or 300 rupees extra risk you can take. Suppose a market has not come to 56. Now what you have to do? You should not go for buy entry that day, because we have to consider that sell has been activated. So 54 plus 54 minus 3, it is 56 minus 3, it is 53, and high made 54. So we have to consider that sell has been activated, and whatever the recent high you are getting, from there you have to take the sell entry. That difference point, suppose say yesterday you keep in 3 minutes or 1 minute time frame. After it has touched 54 and reversed, then the recent high was 52. So you can consider that 52 was the sell entry. Or suppose if you are taking 50, no problem, take in current market price also, take entry. The remaining 6 points, okay, 56 was the actual entry and you have entered at 50. The remaining 6 points you can add to the target. Suppose the target is 30 points. Since you have missed the 6 points here in the entry, you can keep the target 36 points, but keep the SL same. So target you can increase to 6 points. So this is the buffering system. So 300 rupees to 500 rupees you can keep in all the script, because we are expecting to the market to react to our support and resistance, but it is not compulsory for a market to come behind us. Okay, 1 or 2 days it will happen like this. So hope it is clear. So now I will consider that sell has been activated. So next thing what you have to do, come here and remove the first buy, enable the first sell targets and enable the first sell SL. So now everything has been enabled. See here, first sell targets done. I told you that to keep 6 points extra, which means 23 will be your target. That also has been achieved. Second target achieved. Third target also achieved. That's all. So if you are a regularly want to make consistent profit, then take the trade, book at the first target and exit from the market. Only one trade, only one lot. Monthly you will be getting some 20,000 rupees to 40,000 rupees profit. Suppose if you're having more capital and you want to trade again and again, you want to catch all the ups and downs of the market, then what you can do? Take 3 lots, book 1 lot at the first target and revise the stop loss to cost to cost. Then book the second lot at the second target and revise stop loss to first target, and book the third lot at the third target and exit from the market. This is one method. Suppose if we had done like this, what happened yesterday? See here, here was our entry 3 lot. So here we booked 1 lot and we revise the stop loss to cost to cost. Suppose market is coming back and hitting our stop loss, no problem. Already we have booked 1 lot in profit, and this is existed at a cost to cost, no issue. Now we are booking the second lot at the second target and revising the stop loss to first target. Suppose market is coming back and hitting our SL, no problem. Already we booked some 30 plus 30 and 30 plus 60, 90 points. So that is 1 lot at first target was 30 points. Then second lot we booked at the second target, so that the 60 points. So totally 90 points we have booked. Then third lot at the third target and revise exiting from the market. So this is third lot is the 90 points. So 90 plus 90, 180 points we could have booked yesterday if we have taken the 3 lot. Now what is the problem with the taking 3 lot? Suppose if SL hit, as per our strategy, we have to take 2 lot, I mean double lot. So you must be having the sufficient capital to take 6 lot, so that overall you will be getting the profit. One day if you are trading 3 lot and another day if you are trading 6 lot, another day if you are trading 1 lot, then you will not get the consistent profit. So this is how you have to keep your position sizing. If you want to trade in only 1 lot, keep trading in only 1 lot. If you want to trade in 2 lot or 3 lot or 6 lot or 9 lot, 12 lot, then you have to accordingly keep trading with the same position sizing. Don't change immediately. So we will consider we are taking only one lot and booking at the first target. So our trading system is over yesterday at this junction itself. Now we have given some advanced method. What is an advanced method here? So in the morning itself, we will be knowing where the market will get reversed. So for that, use Heikin-Ashi candle. Heikin-Ashi candle. So this first buy and all you can keep it, no problem. Come down. So here you can see weekly buy zone and weekly sell zone. Weekly buy, weekly sell. So here you can see now market has touched here at this point 69 exactly, and it has reversed. It has given the first target. Then it is in the buy zone. It is in the demand zone. People are ready to buy more here. Unless market is closed below this zone and low of that candle is broken, you don't have to go for the sell entry. Otherwise, you look only for the buy entry at this demand zone, at this buy zone. So here you expect only the sell entry at the sell zone. So now you see the low was 5943 and our support was 5942. So now you could have taken anywhere in between these lines. Even after that, if you are taking here also if you are taking 5969 also, then you have taken very good profit, and yesterday high was 6074, around 110 points you have got the profit. So this is the another method. Then to get more accuracy, what you do, keep weekly buy zone and sell zone, come down to time frame. Here you come and change either week to or monthly, weekly or monthly. So now you see we have got some extended level. So the buy level was at the 56. Here there is a very good confirmation. What is the confirmation? There is a reversal. There is a rejection candle. This green candle is the rejection, and another candle, red candle, is also a rejection. Immediately after the rejection candle, there is a bullish candle, green candle. Once that green candle high is broken, you can go for the buy entry by keeping the low of the previous swing low. See that the stop loss is very simple, very small, but the target you can keep up to this level, or you can keep up to the first sell entry in the day time frame. So this you have to practice a little, then only you can do all these things. Otherwise, what you can do, you just keep in default settings and you have to trade. So now suppose I have taken the buy entry here 5969, and what would be my stop loss? My stop loss will be on the closing basis of this value. 5942 will be my stop loss, but on the closing basis. Sometime it will just come and hit our stop loss and go. See here, only Wiki has come down, but it is not actually a sell hit. It has to close below that line. So now how to fix the target for this entry? Suppose I have taken entry at 5969. What would be my target? There are two methods. One method, enable. First method is the first target will be your 6093 is your target. This one. So from here to here you can book the target. From here to here you can book the target. One method. Another method, go here and enable first sell entry. The first target will be 5969 to 6060, because there the market has to reverse. Supposedly it has to reverse. So that is why you have to book the profit at a 6060. So from 69 to 60, almost 100 points profit you have got the profit. And third method, what you can do, so now you have identified the entry. Now change the weekly time from here, right? Now enable the first buy targets and first buy SL. Enable the first buy targets and first buy SL and remove the sell entry. So now you can see the entry is at 5965. So here it is exactly hit. Then first target immediately done. Once again the entry has been activated. Again target done. Once again entry activated. First target done. Second target done. Third target done. So this we have kept small targets. If you want to see the big target also we have given. So go to MST target calculation. So there you change to normal one. See here, the targets are big here. At this junction, targets are big. 1:2 ratio. 1:2 ratio. Then if you want more targets, 1:3, then you can go here and keep big targets. See here, second target is 73 and high made was 74. So exactly two targets done. But if you see the number, the difference between the targets and the entry, that is 59652, 6073, 110 points profit you have got in just two target. So all these methods and setups we have given in the single indicator. See, we have changed the user interface itself. The first option what we have given, use Heikin-Ashi candles for calculation. You don't have to change the candlestick pattern in the chart, right? You don't have to change here. What you do, you keep in the normal chart or whatever candlestick you are following. If you want to do calculation based on the Heikin-Ashi, so you can use this one. Secondly, what we have given, time frame. This time frame is for first buy zone, first sell zone, first second buy zone and second sell zone for this. And for this weekly buy and monthly zone and all, you don't have to change any time frame. By default, it will be taken. So this is one method. So yesterday in buy side also we have got the profit. In sell side also we have got the profit. Now I show you one more example from the Bank Nifty. This is yesterday Bank Nifty. Okay. Yesterday we have not got any entry. No entry we have got yesterday. It has not reached neither buy side or sell side. Then let us see copper. Where is copper? This one is copper. So due to time constraint, I'm not showing all the script. I'm showing only few. So you see here, as I told you in the morning, you have to reset to default settings. Now we have to wait either for buy entry or sell entry. Whichever triggers first, you have to trade that side. Other side you have to ignore if you are a safe trader. If you want to trade again and again, then you can trade in sell side as well as buy side, again sell side, again buy side, again sell side, again buy side, again weekly mode, again monthly mode. You can trade so many times as you want. But if you want to make a small profit and a consistent profit and small trader, not a risky taker traders, then you can trade with only one trade in a day. So yesterday what happened? So market has opened here somewhere and it has to reach either here first or either here first, right? And whenever you see the candle like this, a big green candle breaking the sell entry, what you can do, either you can avoid immediately sell entry that time or go here, change to weekly time frame. Weekly time frame is no, it is very longer than the entry. So secondly, what you can do, keep it in one day and change to Heikin-Ashi. the entry is little distanced. So what you have to do, immediately don't go for the entry here. Actually here we got the entry. This is perfect entry. This is also perfect entry. This is also a perfect confirmation. Market will come down. This is an unexpected moment. Don't worry. Don't worry. Enable your SL and targets. See, SL is not hit. SL is here only. Don't worry. Now, what you do when the second candle is a red candle and low of that candle is broken. That is, this candle low is broken. That is exactly our entry price. This is 100% sure call. This is 100% sure call that market will come down. So immediately our first target achieved. First target achieved. Second time, see here it is very big bullish candle. This candle also closed above. Now we have to avoid this candle. And third candle is the red candle. I told you when there is a immediate red candle after the green candle, this is the confirmation when the low of that candle is broken. See here the low is not broken. Now our sell entry has become the support. Our sell entry has become the support. So all those technical analysis, if you don't know how to do, you don't do anything. Simply follow this strategy. Sell entry activated here, your target hit. That's all. So next, if you want to trade again, as you are, no, you want to trade more. See here, exactly here, buy entry activated. Exactly, buy entry activated. Now what you have to do? Cancel the sell entry. Enable the first buy SL. See here, exactly our buy entry activated and all the three targets done. All the three targets done. So now if you want to see the further level, you can increase the target. Target the increase to 1 is to 2. See here perfection. Perfectly our second target hit. 746.05. Exactly hit. So this is how we have to trade. Suppose if SL hit, then what we have to do? Consider, so at this place, I have taken the sell entry and market has not come down and it has reached up. Now what you have to do? I have to take second buy and I have to enable second buy targets. See the perfection. So just an imagination. Yesterday we got the entry and targets perfectly. Just I'm giving an imagination that suppose if market has not come down, if it is not come down and it is going back like this. Suppose you have taken entry again at this place. It is not coming down as expected. It is going back. So now our entry has been SL hit. Here we have to take double lot. If you are trading one lot, you have to take double. 2 means 4, 3 means 6. You have to just double the number of lots. And your target will be, this will be your target. So 2 lot you have taken, 1 lot is to recover your previous loss and 1 lot for booking the profit for the day. So exactly, accurately our target has been achieved. See the target is 745.95 but the high made was 746. So 5 paisa extra it has gone up to trigger our target value. So this is an accuracy. So you don't have to do any other thing. Very simple. I repeat, initially every day you just enable the default settings. Once again repeat, default settings, here default settings. If you want to keep Heikin Ashi, that your wish, we are not recommending. But sometimes we are trading only for the reversal process. So Heikin Ashi also you can use. It will be giving you more accuracy. It will avoid some false signal. So we have given the option. It is up to you. So now I have given in default setting. If buy activated, no sell. If sell activated, no buy by default. If you want to trade again and again, you can trade. So now consider yesterday this situation. In first call we got the profit, second call also we got the profit. Suppose if we are entering third time also sell entry, now we are in loss. Now how to recover this? So first sell, SL hit. So enable first sell. First sell, opposite of first sell is second buy targets. See here, first sell and second buy SL both are same. Suppose I am removing this first sell and enabling second buy SL. See, both are same. Exactly our target hit. Here we have taken 2 lot and for the target of 745.95 exactly target hit. We recovered our loss and we are in a profit for the day. This is the same thing you have to follow for all the script. You have to follow for all the script. So hope it is clear. It is very simple to use. In the morning itself, you will be knowing where and all market will get reversed. See here, this is the intraday levels, and this is the weekly levels, and this is the monthly levels. See here. First option, market has to reverse from here. Second option, market has to reverse from here. See here, it has touched here and it has given some retracement. Then we have got some bullish candle that has to be avoided. So now also it is in sell zone only. Unless the candles are closing above this level, this is in sell trend only. It might reverse back to the buy entry. Then we have one more level, that is the monthly level. So here we have to check the candles whether it is closing above or there is a rejection of candle followed by a red candle for a confirmation. Then you can go for the sell entry. Okay. So this is how you have to trade. I show you one more thing in the crude oil. This is yesterday. Okay. Yesterday this is our first sell entry. Actually buy only got activated exactly. See here. The 6044 was the buy entry and the low also exactly 6044. So here it has to reverse supposedly at 6102. But see the candle, it is having very big bullish candle. So next reversal point is our 6124. And that day the exact high was 6124 only. So now we have to enable the targets and SL. So I am removing this monthly zone, weekly zone and all. Now enabling from the day time frame. So sell activated at 24. No, 24 is the exact point. Here it is showing 27. No issue. You keep it in 24. 3 points also you can keep the buffer points as I explained to you. So it has given all the targets and it is going beyond the level, beyond the targets. So what you can do, now you increase the target points. Either normal 1:2 also you can try or 1:3 also you can try. See here, first target, second target, third target in the 1:2. 5984 is the target that it has been achieved. And next thing what you can do, weekly buy zone you can enable. So buy zone, you can see here none of the candle is closed below, and you can go for the monthly buy also. When weekly is breached out, go for the monthly. See here, the low is 5969 and our monthly buy zone is also 5969. Exactly our target hit. Exactly our entry has been activated. And immediately we got the entry. We have the target of 6024 something, 6124. I will show you 6119 was the high that day. So how to enable the targets now? Remove others, monthly zone. See here, from this point to this point you can book the target as I told you. This is our entry. This is one more entry. Higher low it has formed. Then from here your long target will be, a big target will be 6101 and the high made was 6119. and again as per this call you can go for the cell entry, or as per this 610 also you can go for the cell entry. Again it has given some target. So from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, and here to here. So we have got all the nook and corners of the market. So if you are trading in single script, then you can understand the movement of the script. So that is why we are preferring to trade in selected scripts again and again. So hope it is clear. So once again I will tell you what and all we have added in the existing indicator. So this is the settings. So in this we have given time frame time chart. See here in the, you just click on to I button, the information has been given. Suppose say you want to see the chart in 1 minute time frame, but you don't want to change the candlestick on the chart. So in that case, so change here for calculation. So there it will not be changed, here it will be changed. Suppose say you want to see the 1 hour candle, 1 hour calculation, the trend zone. I'm enabling the trend zone here. So in 1 hour, what is the trend you want to see without changing in the chart candle, without changing the candles. So in 1 hour, the trend is sell trend. 1 hour it is sell trend. Suppose if you are using 3 minutes time frame, see here the trend will not be changed. Why? Because in the settings we have changed. We don't want to change anything in the chart candlestick, but you want to change in the lower in the indicator setting only. So you are trading in 3 minutes and you want to see the trend of the 50 minutes. See here. So the trend is showing you still sell trend. So now it has taken the sell here. Then one retracement, another retracement, another retracement. So if we connect all this line, it becomes one trend line. So it has formed triple bottom, four bottom. Okay. So all these things you can consider. So we have, this is the first settings we have in our indicator. Secondly, we have time frame. So this time frame by default will be 1 day. This is for here. First buy, first sell, second buy and second sell. So this time frame we have to use. Secondly, we have given the option to use either normal candlestick or Heikin-Ashi candlestick. If we are using this Heikin-Ashi, there will be a difference in the entry, SL and target. Then you all know this is the first buy, this is the first sell zone. After enabling first buy and first sell, whatever is triggered, then you have to enable the first buy targets and second buy targets accordingly. Okay. Then what is the other settings we have? This one, second buy and second sell. Second buy and second sell. Suppose market has directly activated second buy, that time you can trade. Suppose market has it has activated first buy, then it is continuing to second buy also. That time also you can trade with the second buy targets and second buy SL. If first sell SL hit, then you have to go for the second buy. If first buy SL hit, then you have to go for the second sell. And this is MST central pivot point. This is not the normal pivot point, and this is the separate. It is based on our strategy pivot point. Okay, this is the midpoint. We can say it is the midpoint. If it is trading below the line, you can go for the sell. If it is going above the trend line, you can go for the buy. These are the extra features we have given. It is not included in the strategy. And this is our weekly buy zone. In the morning itself we will be knowing till where the market will come down. So you look at this spot, exactly it has reversed from here and target has been given. And this is monthly zone. See here, exactly it has touched here and it has reversed to 100 points. Then we have trend zone. If the candlesticks are below the trend zone, it is clearly a sell trend market. If it is above, it is a buy trend market. See here, it has crossed above and sustaining above, it has given very good profit. Then next things what we have given, SL calculation. Suppose if you are trading in a script which is very three numbers, three digits script like natural gas, this HFCL and all, then you have to increase your stop loss to big SL. Otherwise, the SL will be only 10 paisa or 15 paisa. The range is very small. If you are trading 3 digit or 2 digit script, then you can change it to normal SL or big SL. If you are trading in 4 digits and more, you can keep it in small SL. And target minimum you have to keep 1:1, that is small targets, then 1:2, then 1:3. So this way you can keep it. And here we have added extra features. We have saved the space actually. So here you can use any moving average, SMA, EMA, W moving average, SW, then VWAP also we have added here. So if you are selecting any moving average, you have to give two input, one is source and the length. And if you are selecting the VWAP, you don't have to give any input, okay? It will be automatically drawn. So same thing here, moving average 2, moving average 3. So if you want to give some other values that you can give, and if you want to use source some others, some people will use high and some people will use low. Okay, so here also I'm making VWAP. Say here to form the zone. Okay, that also possible. So then finally what we have, only that's all. So we have given three more different moving averages along with the VWAP with the customizable calculation. Then SL also you can compute, you can increase or decrease, and targets also you can increase or decrease. And trend zone is used to identify the trend of the market. You can see in 1 hour, 30 minutes, 45 minutes or 4 hours in higher time frame you can see. And monthly buy zone and sell zone, it will tell you where the market will get reversed. So it exactly reverse point you will see, and weekly buy zone also you will get. And this central pivot point, it is the midpoint of the entries. And here up to the first four things, first buy, first sell, only these are to be traded with the day time frame. Now you might be having one doubt. Suppose in weekly time frame or monthly time frame my entry got activated. Now how to give the target? So one method I told you, first method, the target will be immediate next line, then next line. This is the target. Or if you want to book the targets, target by target, what you can do, 1:1. You calculate the entry price and SL price, the difference, and you can keep the 1:1. Then third option, go here, select the monthly time frame and enable first buy SL. Now you can keep one by one, you can book the target. If you want big target, then you can increase your target to normal targets. So now the target will be increased to 1:2. So this is the way how to book the profit. So hope it is clear. I have explained to you everything step by step slowly. So in every day before you taking trade, go here and give reset settings. Then you can change the settings as per your need. And you can change the colors also here. See here I have chosen colors based on my creativity, whichever I like I have given. And if you want to change any of the colors for easy understanding, that you can do. Everything, all these things are customizable. That's all friends. Thank you all for watching our videos. I will request everyone to kindly subscribe our indicators which we are giving for lifetime validity, and don't go behind any other people who are showing the same like indicators, same buy sell levels. They have just copied. Actually they have not copied, they have tried to copy it. but they cannot copy our indicator. It will not give you the same levels. One day in one script they may get the profit, but not every day in all the script. But if we see our past record, we have been giving the very good result in every script all the time. It is not with them, so don't go behind them and they will loot your money. If you want to purchase our indicator, you have to contact us. Only the official number 9500009154. This is the official number. We stopped giving franchisee now since people are imitating us. So we stopped giving the franchises. And if you don't have the amount to pay, then we are giving some EMI facility without interest also. So that also you can avail from us. Okay. See here, nickel, see the perfection. Exactly, buy entry activated and all the targets have been hit. So this accuracy you will never find anywhere. See here, in normal candlestick, here exact buy entry activated. When you change this Heikin Ashi, it is giving more accurate. See here, exactly here, exact reverse point. The entry price was 1522.7. The low was 1522.6. Only 10 paisa it has come down after the entry. So now enable first buy targets and first buy SL. Otherwise, what you can do, if you want to book the big target directly, you can wait for the sell entry. If you want to book target by target, you can enable first buy targets, first buy SL. And if you want to book 1:2 also, you can book. See here, 1:2, and this is 1:1 risk reward ratio I'm talking about. So all the three targets almost achieved, exactly entry also achieved. So this is the perfection that this will get nowhere in the market, and you don't have to do any analysis. So though we have given here some part for analyzing like we were moving average and all, but you don't have to do. And Bank Nifty and other script also there is a strategy which I have read in other group that just do this moving average 9, 21 and VWAP. Whenever the moving average 9 and 21 is crossing, you see here moving average 9 and 21 crossing the VWAP, then you can immediately go for the buy entry by keeping the previous swing low as the stop loss. So this you can use it in lower time frame so that you will get more accuracy. See here, this I'm showing in nickel. This is the junction. Immediately it has given the targets. The reversal, it has touched the VWAP, then again it has went up. It has gone up. So this strategy you can use it in any script or you can use it in Bank Nifty also. So up to this level, it is in sell trend only. So here only 9 and 21 crossing the VWAP. Okay, see the movement. So this is the one strategy, and with this moving average we can frame more number of strategy also. Okay, so this I'm using for my personal purpose also along with the ICO 2.0. You can do it. But if you see this technical analysis will be showing you sell trend, but our iCore indicator will show you buy trend. So this our level is different from these levels, so you don't get confused. So use it differently. That's all, traders. Thank you all. See here, this is one day Bank Nifty. Exactly our buy triggered and targets are hit. So I can show you and plenty of examples. So this indicator, this one indicator is sufficient for you. So all the features maximum we have added here, all the features maximum. So not even one space is wasted, all the things we have explained. And this is MST ICO 2.0. See here, we have given separate SL, first to buy SL we have given. And first to buy, if SL here, we have to go for the second buy, right? Suppose first cell SL hit, then we have to go for the second cell. So now you see here the red line and blue line. The second buy entry is 39,176 and the SL of first cell is 39,176. So both are giving the same levels, no? So that is why we are removing this level. But few people don't understand. So that is why I kept as such. Okay, so few people have understood it, so we have removed and we have changed it to new name MS Tycode 3.0. Now how 3.0 will look like? See here, the 3.0 will look like this same thing, but Heikenhash will be a default calculation method. First by first targets will be there and bottom pivot will be there and top pivot will be there. So first by targets and first bottom will be there. That the bottom point is nothing but your buy zone, daily buy zone. If first buy SL hit, then we have to go for the second cell. Second cell. See here, we have added one more line in between. These points we have added by removing the separate SL. If you don't want that, you can keep that 2.0 itself. If you understand, if you don't want to waste one point, then you can go here. Then second cell, weekly buy zone, weekly buy zone. See here, weekly buy zone we have given 3 lines. If the candles are closing only below the 3 lines, you can go for the sell, otherwise only buy trend. The low is 5943 and our support is 4942. So this is the extra things we have given in the 3.0. There is no change in the 3.0 comparing to 2.0. And the basic version also we have. So therein we will be having no Heikenhashi calculation, no time frame, no this one, only these 4 points: first buy, first sell, second buy and second sell along with the target and SL. So this weekly, monthly zone and all, this calculation method and all will not be there. Okay, so only these are the things we have. If you have any doubts, please contact us either through Telegram or WhatsApp. You watch this video again and again until you get a clear knowledge. So everything maximum I have explained. If anything is missed out, I will cover it in the next videos. Thank you all. Thanks for showing your support and recommend your friends so that they will stop losing their money from the market. Don't go for any paid calls. Practice this and we will start giving you more knowledge on the stock market. Thank you all. Happy holidays. Let's meet tomorrow.